In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Printify. First, we need to go to Google and type Printify. Now, we need to click on the first result on the search page. And now on Printify, we have to click on Start for Free. Now, you either create an account from scratch or you choose your Google account to make it quicker. So we'll go this way, choose an account so it's quick. And now the account is being created. So now we're gonna need to answer a few questions, and we're going to do that. Okay, what brings you to Printify? Monthly sales, let's just pick anything. Some other sales related questions. How would you find about Printify? And now you either go and order a sample, connect your store to Printify, or design your custom product. But that's pretty much it. That's how you create an account on Printify. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.